Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can connect your Etsy shop to your Pinterest account. So firstly, open up your Pinterest account. So log into Pinterest. So once you're on your page here, so what you can do here is like click on your profile, and then you'll have the settings option here. So click on settings. All right, so just click on settings, and then what you can do here now is you have a little information here called about option. So here what you can do, you can write a description about your Etsy store, and also you can copy and paste your Etsy store link here. So it's like how on Instagram we put in our bios or something similar to that. So what you can do, you just copy and paste your Etsy store link here, and then you can like change. Then you can just like save this, and this will so this since this is your public profile, then your Etsy store link will pop up on your profile if anyone visits your profile. So this is the only way at the moment that we can link your Etsy store to your Pinterest at the moment. So just copy and paste it and it should be done, and that's pretty easy and straightforward. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.